India continues to press for action against Pakistan, and in the latest what we learn is that there could be a multi-party delegation traveling across the world. There could be 8 groups traveling to at least 5 countries over the next week or 10 days. This could begin from around the last week of May. May 22nd, 23rd is the tentative date that we are being given. So what will this delegation, all-party delegation, really achieve? What it seeks to achieve is to tell the world community that India is speaking in one voice. Often you've heard opposition leaders, including leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, criticize the government during his trips abroad. But this venture initiated by the government, in which opposition is also on board, is meant to portray to the world that political differences aside, India is speaking in one voice against Pakistan. Pakistan is trying very hard to play the victim card. This all-party delegation is meant to convey that it is India which is the victim and Pakistan which is the aggressor. Be it Pahalgam, be it Operation Sindoor, or be it the post-Operation Sindoor doctrine that the country has decided that every act of terror from here on will be treated like an act of war. As far as this doctrine is concerned, cutting across party lines, India is together. That's what it's meant to convey. They could travel to United Kingdom, they could travel to the Gulf countries, UAE as well. And this delegation could have the likes of Shashi Tharoor, somebody who's known for his diplomatic background that he comes from. He has served in the United Nations Secretariat. Also Asaduddin Owaisi, a prominent member of parliament who represents the minority community. He's a barrister, understands international rules and regulations, is extremely articulate. So therefore, his being part of the team is also significant. Ghulam Nabi Azad is another name which is doing the rounds. Again, somebody who's from Jammu and Kashmir, who has been in the union government in the past, being from the minority community and being a native of Jammu and Kashmir also is an added bonus. So this group of members of parliament from the ruling and the opposition side is meant to tell the world that India is speaking in one voice. It is also meant to tell the world why all MPs think that Operation Sindoor was necessary, why it was important to avenge what happened in Pahalgam, and why the strikes were significantly and the way it was planned initially was only meant for terror hubs. It was Pakistan which accelerated the situation, which became the aggressor, sent in swarms of drones, and therefore India was not left with any option but to go ahead and take down their air assets, their military assets. Indian MPs are also meant to convey that what has happened in Operation Sindoor, the pullback that India has done as far as ceasefire is concerned, even that all parties are on board and they are together speaking in one voice, taking on Pakistan's aggression without asking anyone to mediate on their behalf.